Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable Quickbook in MI Redmi Note 10s. Friends, before going to enable or disable Quickbook, you must have few idea about Quickbook. What is Quickbook? So friends, Quickbook is a touch assistant with a combination of 5 unique shortcuts that helps to do quick functions and tasks easily, that even users can customize also. Quickbook is aimed to give users quick and easy access to shortcuts and apps they use frequently. Quickbook can be dragged to any edge of the screen and can be accessed in lock screen also. So friends, to enable or disable the Quickbook, you have to go to the settings. After that, you have to click on the additional settings. Just scroll down and click on additional settings, and now you have to click on Quickbook option and then click turn on Quickbook option to enable the Quickbook button. Now you can easily see a translucent circle on the screen. You can easily drag to any edge of the screen. So friends, now to disable the screen, go to the settings and again go to the additional settings and then click Quickbook, and then to disable Quickbook, simply click on turn on Quickbook again. So friends, in this way you can enable or disable the Quickbook in Redmi Note 10s. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.